Hi there, students. To carry something off, to carry it off. Well, firstly, this just could mean to take something away. So if you don't chain your bike, somebody will carry it off. Somebody carried off the crown jewels. They broke into the Tower of London and carried off the crown jewels. To take something away. As a phrasal verb, to carry something off, to do something successfully. I think particularly something that is difficult, that it's not very easy. So he attempted the CPE and he carried it off at the first attempt. Okay, so to bring off as well, to perform, to manage successfully. He tried to look relaxed, but he just couldn't carry it off. Okay, so he couldn't have carried it off without my help. So to succeed in doing something difficult, yeah, he was nervous about giving the speech, but he carried it off magnificently. So to complete something, especially when you're faced with obstacles, he carried it off. I've never cooked for 40 people before at a dinner party, but I carried it off without any problems. I think maybe you could carry off a prize, carry off a trophy. So he carried off the Oscar for Best Actor. I think this is a more metaphoric idea of carrying it away. Yeah, if you don't lock your bike, somebody will carry it off. I think we also could use to carry off, meaning to die. So he was carried off by the plague. My grandmother was carried off by COVID. Yeah, carried off to the underworld, to the world of the dead. So to carry somebody off. Okay, so to carry something off, to steal it. Yeah, the kidnappers carried off the child. To carry something off, to steal it, to take it away. Somebody's carried off my bag. Yeah, somebody carried off the chairs last night. To carry something off, to make a planned event work successfully. The magician carried off his tricks with great aplomb. Yeah, he did it very easily, with great skill to accomplish. Yeah, he carried it off beautifully. You could carry off a prize to win an award. He carried off the top prize. And then, plague carried him off, killed him. They were carried off by an unknown fever. Okay, so to carry someone off, to take them away, to carry off. I need to carry off all of these things that I bought, to transport, to steal, to kidnap. The bandits carried off the executive. To succeed in doing something. To act convincingly. So the actress carried off a difficult performance. To be successful. I tried, I wasn't sure, but I carried it off. He carried off the first prize. And diseases carried off the first settlers of this area. So let's see, formality, to carry off. So he carried off the prize. They carried off the bike. For informality. He carried it off successfully. 4.5 informality. So I think these, use them informally, use them in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing just about, but no more. And as to origin, well, to carry, to lift. And the off, this off has got this idea of away. He walked off, he ran off, yeah, away. So to carry off, this off gives the idea of away. And then to carry it off, these are all carried, they carried the prize off. They're all separable. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To carry off.